Burrough School is one of the most fantastic schools in the UK. It's a primary that's a state-funded academy, and it serves the local communities of Tower Hamlets in London. Now, if you walk around this school, one of the things you will find in every classroom are adults and children who are filled and alive with energy, passion and inspiration. And this school has a You Can Do It programme, which they've brought in to help keep children's confidence and resilience alive. They've also been using the English Speaking Board assessments for many years because they feel that it improves the children's self-confidence as well as their communication skills.
Well, we've been doing ESB for 10 years and it's been a great gift to the school. We feel very strongly that finding your voice and speaking out and doing it in a clear and confident and articulate and authentic way is the greatest gift we can give them. And the ESB gives them a structure and a purpose.
Oh yeah, the anticipation is, you're just wanting to know what energy you're going to be working with in the room. And thinking about what you're going to say and hoping you're going to enthuse and hoping that the kids are going to enjoy it and they're going to learn from it today. Hello, come in, welcome. So welcome everybody, my name's Mrs. Dale and I'm here, I think, to give you some top tips to help you with your preparation for your talks. So you're going to be doing them soon, aren't you? And let's find out what some of you have come up with. What about on this side? But come tell us.
I was going to do a soundtrack of one of my favourite animes, then I was going to ask, does anyone know what the soundtrack is?
Brilliant. A visual or a sound effect is a really, really good hook into a talk. Music like this gets my imagination going. It's the art of storytelling. And I was lucky enough to be in a show last year called Scheherazade. And today, I'm going to tell you all about my passion for dance and drama. Okay, so that is a little talk introduction using a piece of music, but for a talk on my passion dancing. Another way into a show might be that I might show you one or two of my moves. Up you get. We're going to do a third position, which is one foot next to the other, arms out again, and bend your knees, and that's called third position. Can you all quickly think of a sport where you could start with a demonstration for your talk? Boxing, yes, you could show one or two of your moves, couldn't you? You could ask for a partner, come and join me. Come on, up you get. Right, then you're going to ask me to hold my hands up like that, all right, which we call whatever position it is, and then off you go. So you give me a little right hook, and then I would say thank you very much, go and sit down. If you hadn't already guessed, I'm going to talk to you today about boxing. What wildcats you can find in Africa. So what we want to hear is, what made you want to go there? What you did when you went there, and then the highlight is this cat that you saw. And tell us a little bit about the cat. I think you might find you've got more to say about the holiday, wouldn't you say? Yeah? I'd tell us all about your trip there. That's what I want to hear about, because you could show us photographs if you've got some, and then tell us about that special night or that special day when you saw this cat. And if you wanted to start off the talk with the cat, you could start off by showing the picture and saying, does anybody know what this cat is called? Or does anybody know where you might find one of these cats? And then go into it. Now, I've given you lots of ideas. Pick one of them to start us off today, to finish off with. Okay, right. Go on then, ask the question. Right, do you know what this cat is called? Now, can anybody remember what she said the cat was called? Yeah. Serval? He's saying? No?
Serval.
Serval. It's a serval cat, and you can say, yes, you're right. And I saw this cat on my holiday to Africa, and I want to tell you all about it today because it was a really special moment. Yeah? Look at that smile on her face. That makes it all worthwhile, doesn't it? You know what you're going to say now, don't you? If you think it's been useful, I just want one word about how you're feeling now. Maybe you're feeling a bit more confident than you were before. Perhaps you just enjoyed it. Maybe you've learnt something new.
Confident.
Confident, good.
Comfortable.
Comfortable, oh that's lovely.
Braver.
Braver. Thank you so much for your time today. Well done. And good luck. Good luck. I do wish I could be a fly on the wall and come and watch all your talks now. They all sound really, really interesting.
ESB has helped me today to work out how to start my presentation.
I'll be really confident and I'll be really happy to do my presentation and talk about my favourite topic.
Well, Lulu, that was just transformational. You took a group of very shy children and you taught them that their own interests and their own passions were the most authentic and relevant things that they could share with us.
That's so kind of you, because I really, really enjoyed it. And they were very receptive children. I just felt they just needed a little help with finding their voice as well.
Yes.
I always play I don't know anything, you know, so that they realise they do actually know an awful lot. But it's just making it personal to them.
You've been here for the morning, but you've given us years' worth of insight and energy.
She made me feel really confident about the ESB. Now I really want to do it.